Hello everyone. Sorry this might be like a day or two late, but it's been a busy week, so I wanted to get ready and do my Lambda school update and recap of week 6. So this was the last section of JavaScript fundamentals, and it was basically all about arrays and objects. How to iterate through an array using the for loop. Went over some advanced array methods like map, filter, reduce, for each, all those fun things. And in that, it gave opportunities to learn about things like closure and lexical scope, as well as callback functions. That was a fun term for something I'd actually been using before and didn't realize it. From there we moved into objects and talked about the different principles of the this keyword in JavaScript and how the binding works, whether it's the window binding, implicit, explicit, or new. Let's see, what else did we do? We went through made objects. We worked on prototyping and prototypical inheritance. That was a fun little section. Probably the most challenging thus far. It wasn't too bad, but when you stood it next to what we learned next, which was JavaScript classes, it's hard to imagine when I would opt to choose prototyping traditional way over doing it with classes. I'm sure there are use cases where that's necessary, and I will say that my understanding of classes is a lot stronger knowing how prototypical inheritance actually works under the hood with JavaScript. So that was the basis of this week. Next week coming up, we're starting the new section, which is applied JavaScript, where we will be working. The first week will be all in the DOM, and then the second week will be all about components. So I'll keep you all up to date on how that goes. That's about it. We made this really cool little project. We made this really cool little project this week where, with the stretch exercises, some of the objects we had made based off of like parent-child relationships and stuff like that. It was kind of a game setup where we could make a hero and a villain, and then kind of have them battle. With that, mine was basically all randomized, so like the player really had no control in it to start out with. But I was able to add in things like critical hit calculator and miss attack opportunities and stuff like that. But was able to work with my section lead and learn about readline, which was a interesting little Node.js module where you can get input to the terminal. And from there I made a little like Pokemon terminal game. So that's the highlights of this week, coupled with what I learned this week. So thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this or have any questions about Lambda, let me know down below. Anyone who knows me knows I can talk about it forever, because I'm really impressed is what it boils down to. But yeah, if you have suggestions for other videos, let me know. Thank y'all.